Hey, let me show you 3 tips how we can improve the sound quality on your Motorola Moto Buds Plus. First of all, we have to start by opening the settings, and first of all, you have to be sure that you are using the latest version of firmware. So as you can see, when I'm gonna click here, I can find information that this update improves audio and bug fixes. And that's basically the first tip. Another one, you can simply go for the sound and enable high-res mode. So it will play audio in the high resolution. And the last one, you can go to the equalizer, where you can find 4 default presets, but also the custom one. So simply try to play some music and pick one of the following preset and just check which one fits your sound preferences the best. Also, you can try to check for the manual setup. Thanks for watching. Right now, please subscribe.